enjoying the kayak for today. Here. So nice. Another kayak tour. Here in the island of Batik. Lilby, come. There's one Romy. Come up here, Mama Romy. There, my friends. Here, such a lovely day today. And then as we go to